Craft a cute bird out of pipe cleaners in just a few simple steps. For this project, you will need 5 blue pipe cleaners, 1 orange pipe cleaner, a pencil, a skinny paintbrush, fingernail clippers or wire cutters, craft glue, and googly eyes. To make the bird's head, hold the end of 1 blue pipe cleaner against the end of the paintbrush handle and wrap it around and around in a bundle, 1 coil on top of the other. Tuck in the end and remove it from the handle. To make the bird's body, hold the end of a pipe cleaner against a pencil and wrap it around and around in a bundle. Tuck in the end. Hold a second pipe cleaner against the first bundle and wrap it around and around. Tuck in the end and remove it from the pencil. Now take the orange pipe cleaner and bend it in half. Make a sharp bend. This will make the beak. Take the 2 ends of the pipe cleaner and thread it through first the head, leaving about a 1/4 inch sticking out to form the beak of the bird. And then thread the body on to the ends of the pipe cleaner up against the head. Now spread the 2 ends of the orange pipe cleaner apart to anchor the body in place. Now use your fingernail clippers or wire cutters to trim the ends of each pipe cleaner to just about 2.5 inches each. Roll up the very ends of the orange pipe cleaners to form little feet and turn them up at the ends. Take another blue pipe cleaner and thread it through a coil on the top of the body and find the halfway point. Coil up the end of 1/2 in a loose coil. This will be forming one wing of the bird, so coil it up until you reach the body, and then you're going to form it into a triangular shape. So just squeeze it into a triangle just loosely with your fingers. Do the same thing with the other side, making a loose coil starting at the end, going all the way to the body, and then squeezing it into a loose triangular shape. Adjust the wings, the body, and the feet so that everything is aligned. Coil the last pipe cleaner in a loose coil, starting from the end, going all the way down until you have about 2.5 inches left. Then thread the end through the coil to keep it all locked in place. Then fold the last 2 or so inches up in half to create a little tail. Press the middle of the coil down into a V shape. Pinch the ends into triangles so you're forming the tail of the bird. Insert the end into the back of the bird and then arrange the tail so it's slightly upward at the back. Once all of the pieces of your bird are assembled, the last step is to glue on the googly eyes. So put a generous dot of glue for each eye, stick on the googly eyes, and once the glue is completely dry, your bird is finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.